In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download AnyDesk on Windows quickly and safely. If you've been looking for the official download and want to avoid fake websites or confusing pages, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Chrome or any browser you prefer on your Windows PC. Once the browser is open, click on the address bar and type AnyDesk, then hit enter on your keyboard. This will bring up the search results, and from here, you want to look for the official AnyDesk website. Be careful to choose the real official page so you can safely download the software. After the official AnyDesk page opens, take a moment to check that you are on the correct site. This helps make sure you're getting the legitimate installer directly from AnyDesk. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on Downloads. This section will take you to the download options for different devices and operating systems. Now on the Downloads page, scroll down until you see the Windows option. Since we're downloading AnyDesk for a Windows computer, this is the version you need. Click on Windows to bring up the correct installer download for your system. Make sure you choose the Windows version and not a different platform. After that, you should see the Download Now button. Go ahead and click Download Now to start the download process. Your browser will begin downloading the AnyDesk installer to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may appear in the bottom corner of the screen or in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, you can open the file and continue with the installation process. From there, you'll be able to set up AnyDesk and start using it for remote access, file sharing, or support tasks. The whole process is very quick once you know where to click. So to recap, open your browser, search for AnyDesk, open the official site, click Downloads in the top right, scroll down to Windows, and then click Download Now. That's all it takes to download AnyDesk on Windows the right way. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.